Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to log out from Triller app. So as you can see here, we're on the Triller app. You're going to want to click on the bottom right hand corner where you see that little person icon down there. Click on that. That's going to bring you to your profile. You're going to want to click on the top right hand corner where you see that little cog there. Click on that, that will bring you to the settings. You're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page right here until you see the bottom log out. You want to click on that, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to log out of Triller? Click log out. Then you'll see here that you've been logged out of Triller. You can then sign in with that account again, or you can just log in with a Apple, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, phone number or email address depending on what you want, or another account, etc. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Triller app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.